Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Mainframe Master. This video is about an interview question, that is how to change the string present at specific column in PS file. For example, we have an input file which contains ID, name, department and marks, and we want to change the rows department EE to CE in the same input file. To accomplish this, we can use the JCL sort step where we will pass input file in input and output. Also, we will use the disposition as old to replace the content of input file. In sort step, we can use indirect if then condition in which string EE present at 16th column and having 2 bytes character gets replaced with string CE using overlay. After executing this job step, input file will have the updated string at 16th column. So this is how we can change the string at specific column in PS file. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more mainframe related interview question and their answers.